In today's video, Mike's LS240 should make noise again. So off camera, we got the starter in, we got a little bit of the wiring started, we got this header pushed through and where it needs to be, and then next we're going to go ahead and get the intake on, and then just kind of start finishing wrapping everything up. How you doing? What's next? Yeah. Put the Cortex down, I guess. They're over there on the floor. Over here? To your left, yeah, there they are, buddy. So while I was at work, Mike got the wiring done, the intake on, oil's in the engine, all the fluids are ready. We got cooling and everything. So now, I mean, we should be pretty much ready to get it started. Well, actually, on the this is the leaks. See any fuel leaking over there? One more time, Anthony.
What's up?
Do it again.
No.
Should I hit the valve? The trader valve?
Oh, yeah, I would just push a little squirts. I'll do it one more time.
There's fuel in the fuel ring. Hold on. So there we go, the LS is back in the car and running. Stay tuned for the next video where we double check everything and take it out for its second maiden voyage. As always, I'd like to thank every single one of you for watching, and if you'd like to subscribe for more mediocre content such as this, please do and take care.